Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I thin my desert gold peach. I'm gonna just leave the bigger peaches, bigger fruit. So I just remove all the small ones. These were gonna fall anyway, I think, because it doesn't have. I'm gonna leave those two right there. But where I see clusters, they're not all gonna make it, so I just press and they fall very easily. That one is too strong, so I'm gonna leave it. It's gonna take. These are doubles, so I'm gonna remove these. These are double also, so I'm gonna remove those. All the double ones I usually remove. See, these are too close together. I'm gonna remove the smaller ones. Usually, you thin them to be like 4 to 6 inches, but this one, since it has very few peaches, I'm leaving a little more. I'm leaving them closer. So remove that one just so the branches don't break. If I leave too much weight on them, they might break, so I'm going to remove as much as I can without wasting too much fruit. Everywhere I see clusters, I'm gonna remove some, because that way you get better fruit, better quality. All the double ones I'm removing right now. I'm gonna leave that one. I think that's about it. I'm gonna remove these ones. I think that's about it. So I'm gonna leave those. Remove these. Yep, I'm gonna leave those. Hopefully the branches don't break. It's kind of heavy, so I'll probably tie a rope or something to hold it so it doesn't break. I'm just gonna remove this one. I don't think it's gonna make it. Neither will that one. No, I'm pretty much done, I think. These are kind of close. I'll just leave them there. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm gonna have an right here, some more. I'm gonna have an update soon, see how this fruit does. There you see all the ones I left on the tree. Hopefully it has enough nutrients there so they can grow all the way.